everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to turn on dark mode on Messenger. So open the Messenger application first of all on your phone device. Once you open the Messenger application, what you need to do is you need to tap on the profile icon of here on the top left corner of the screen. Tap that. Once you do that, you will be at the profile of yours, and here on the very top you will have the option of dark mode. You tap that. Currently the dark mode is off, so for you to turn on dark mode on Messenger, you tap on on. This will change the system, turning the theme of the Messenger into dark mode. Now you just go back and the dark mode will remain. So this is the way how you can turn dark mode on Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.